Hello friends, hello subscribers, hello to everyone browsing YouTube who is currently interested in construction, old buildings, and renovation. A warm welcome to our channel also for today's topic. My name is David Fuchs and we're going to renovate a bathroom here. In an old building where everything is made with timber framing or with supportive wooden substructures. There have always been old coverings in here. We're going to rebuild everything from scratch and seal it all up. And which floor and wall coverings are best to use now? Not tiles. We want to glue down vinyl throughout the entire bathroom, prepare it and seal it. We want to show all of this in different stages and steps. Even after a knee operation, we're not stopping now and still want to carry out these film projects. I truly hope you can understand that. So what are we planning here? You can already see that wooden boards have been prepared. The subfloor, the old coverings have been torn out. The bathtub will be installed at some point. In these areas, we want to show you first how to finish the drywall, attach the plasterboard, and then of course how do I seal everything up, both downwards and upwards. A bathtub with a shower function is supposed to go in here. And which standards and which points are important there in order to later install a vinyl surface that is wall vinyl onto the wall so that you can really work properly there. Follow us in the video. We'll show you step by step, stage by stage, how you can proceed. And of course, we'll continue to help you. See you then. To wrap up the video, I want to leave you with a few points. You followed them in the video. Here we had a wooden substrate and also wooden walls, worked with wooden panels. And now the whole thing also needs to be sealed. In this video, we showed which system we used to do that. If you have any questions about this, feel free to contact us. It's important to work within a single system and, of course, to consider the entire structure. Both wall, we also covered the floor with durable vinyl flooring. No ceramic tiles were used. Instead, we applied vinyl directly to the wall, vinyl sheets for gluing, and for the floor, we wanted to use a click system. The floor was leveled and smoothed out. You saw all of this in the video. If you want to do the same for yourself, just let us know. I need the same thing. I have a wooden subfloor that's uneven and crooked. How can I make the whole thing a bit more level and ideally also have a covering on top that actually looks good? That's what we want to show in this video, that it works really well with vinyl. Also, just get in touch with us. We'll help you. We'll send you samples. We'll send you more videos if you need at any time, which information needs. And I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see each other again. Until then, goodbye.